Hello, I am Andrew, pal.
And I'm Bacon. That guy's nuts hit by a book.
Yeah, earlier it was difficult. If you seen the last video we posted, ouch! You know what happened. Okay, I'm not positive about what he's doing, but I'll know here in a second. He's doing something. Just don't kick that ball at me. No, don't throw it at me either. I'm holding the camera, or an iPad, or whatever you want to call it. He's doing something. Oh, you, you guys probably didn't see that. You want to do it again, Jordan? Because I don't think they seen that.
Asshole.
Oh, excuse me, I thought you were going to kick it at me.
Stay, boy. Stay. Stay. Stay, boy. Stay. Stop moving.
We just had an argument with the ball.
Oh.
You okay, man?
End it, please.
3, 2, 1.